Is medical care in the United States getting better or worse? I believe it's getting worse. It seems like the medical care that we have now, most of it is do it yourself. It's at a higher price. You keep on hearing them talk about how socialized medicine would be horrible, but would it really be horrible? I have firsthand experience, although it is dated, of care in Europe versus the United States. I got sick when I was younger. I was in Switzerland at the time. The medical care that I received in Switzerland was 100 times better than the care that I had gotten in the United States at this time. I had heard stories of people who were on vacation in places in Europe, Germany, France, England, that got sick. Um, the cost was practically nothing. The care was phenomenal. It seemed like the doctors cared more for the patients. They got better care. We pay more in this country for medical care than any other country in the world. Medicine is more in this country. If it wasn't for President Biden, the cost of insulin would be unaffordable. Before Biden, the price of insulin was hundreds of dollars. Now it's $35 for a life saving treatment. There's still other medical care that people need that's way overpriced. Um, Take, for instance, kidney care. Kidney care is very expensive, people who need dialysis. And the percentage of people that are requiring dialysis keeps on going up. The food that we're eating is poison. Everything we have in this country that we buy to eat is substandard. The bread that's made in this country, the white bread, cannot be sold in Canada because of what's in it. It makes you wonder, what are we really putting in ourselves? Is it all a plot? Are they trying to get rid of old people? You know, you get older, you get less productive, you're no longer as efficient for the corporate machine, let's say. Is it really nothing but a multi death corporation that has you born, wants you born, to consume? Then, when you get older and consume less, you're not essential anymore. You're a waste of time. And it's time to spit you out and hopefully you die early. Death rates, or should I say, the amount of time that people are living from the baby boom generation and the generations that come after it, are decreasing. People are dying earlier. How many people live to be 65? Social Security you can't even claim until you're almost 67. How many people live to be 67 to claim their full benefits? Is it all a corporate scam, a governmental scam? Is all the money being wasted? You know, businesses decide how much they're going to raise the wages on workers, but yet Congress votes for their own raises. Why can't we determine what Congress is going to get for a raise? If you're a congressman for one term or a senator, you're entitled to health insurance for the rest of your life. That's a cushy deal. Why can't we get national health insurance where everyone is guaranteed?